welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna open the ice cream play-doh. Let's open it now, okay guys? And then I'll show you how to make our ice creams. Let's open it. My Santa Claus came to the house and she bring me a present. Let's open. Look at what I got. I got small. Let's open the small first. Okay, I open it, guys. Mommy will not hurt. Okay, let's open it. I open it. Look at what colors I got. Red, yellow, blue, green. Now let's open the big one. We got the other one. We got more yellow, more red, more black. No, black is not here. We got black and white. Let's open. Okay, brown, yellow, again, and again a red. Let's open the first one. Look what I got. We're gonna make our ice cream with this guy. Okay. I got it, I got it. Look guys, what I got. You can put the ice cream on it and it's like this. This is the other one to take the top out. What I got, you can put the ice cream donut inside and you can close it and make the chocolate. Let's put it here. This is what you can put. Oh, something is supposed to. What's this? I can't see. What is it? I can't know what is it. It's like a form. Oh, this is what you can do. What's this small? Ah, I know, it's a table. This is a spoon. You can separate this. This is the ice cream cones. This is the most spicy drink things. This is the most spoon. This is that card. This is the lion. Let's open the other ones. Look what I got. I got dishes. And what is inside? This is the machine. Now let's make some ice cream with it. First, let's put this one in. Look guys, we got strawberry ice cream. Did you want to taste it? Here you go. Let's make, guys, ice cream on the plate. Yellow color. I'll put this yellow color here. On this ice cream, you can eat with spoon. We got 2 big scoops ice creams. Now let's make toppings on this one now. Let's make a green color. Now guys, we need some shit with it. Let's put more inside. Guys, we have such a big ice cream. And you can eat this one with spoon. Now we got 2 ice creams. Now let's make this one. Let's see what shape it is. It's a Buddha. Let's put it here. Now let's make a kitty. Guys, let's make green kitty, guys. at such a nice kitty. Let's put it with a budo. No, that's not a budo. I see it's a dinosaur. Now let's make elephant. It's gonna be such a giant elephant. Look guys, here's an elephant with the big nose. Look guys what I got. I got cookie. Now guys, we have left this do to right. And first let's do this cups. It's coming. Look guys, we got ice cream. And this is the cherry on top. We'll put it carefully here. Look guys, I finished playing with my play-doh ice cream machine. I made so much ice cream. Look guys, one for my mommy and one for Lizzie. This is the strawberry ice cream in the cup and green and white. And this is the lemon ice cream. Look guys, this is the malina. One is green and one is yellow. But this one is for the red and this one is for the yellow. Here I got a dinosaur. Wow. I got an elephant. And the kitty cat. And I also make cookies to go with ice cream. And a waffle. Guys, did you like my ice cream machine Play-Doh? If you like Play-Doh, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.